guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a squeaky door on your vehicle, we will explain what causes that and how to fix it guys. Super simple, we'll be using interphone and it takes only a couple seconds. We'll show you guys. We'll explain what's the most common reason for the door squeaking and it's super annoying and you want to fix it as soon as you can. Otherwise guys, you can cause damage to your door and we'll explain why. We guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below and let's go ahead and start on it now. So we have these guys, Porsche Cayenne here, our SUV, and the door guys, the rear door started squeaking, okay? And you're going to hear it now, listen. Okay, it's super annoying. Every time you open your door, they'll start squeaking. So your door guys usually, okay, it has a couple hinges, one on top, one on the bottom. You might have a different design of a door and we'll show you on both of them how to do it. So make sure you stay until the end. This one has a spring right here. Some of them will have a spring in the middle going through the door, and that's what we'll be demonstrating in a little bit. So you can see that definitely looks like rust building up right here. Okay, this is rust guys. What is causing that? When you drive the car, wet weather, rain, snow, especially snow guys, when they spray the road with that snow melting compound, it's going to get here and eventually it will wear out the grease. Most likely on the bottom one, not so much on the top one, but you want to fix that as soon as you can because you have little bitty bearings here, okay, that turn, especially on the German vehicles, and if those break guys and the spring breaks, okay, that's expensive repair, you have to buy a new hinge. So let me show you guys, okay, what we'll be using here. Okay, we'll be just using interphone spray, super good compound guys. You can find it listed in the description of the video below. So what I'll do, okay, I'm going, okay, check out the rest that's leaking. Okay, later you need to wipe all that, but I'm going to just apply, okay, like that, soak it a little bit. You want to apply on each part of the moving hinge. Okay, and you want to come on top here as well. Get a rag later and wipe all that. So after just a few closes and opens after that, you will not be able to hear anything. Listen now. So completely gone guys. The other kind of door that I'm talking about, it's like this BMW guys right here. And okay, you can see you have two hinges, okay, one on top, one on bottom, and you have that thing, this is your spring, okay, that prevents the door from opening and closing suddenly, and you can see right here it's going to develop that rust as well. So you want to guys just apply a little bit, okay, right here, and you want to apply a little bit to your hinges as well, and just open and close it a few times until everything spreads nice. Okay, you can see now it's lubricated guys, otherwise all that was really dry. So this is it guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.